cleansing has exponential benefits. It's not even just the body being upgraded and the fact that addictions go away and the mind clears and the heart opens. It's that your life actually takes on a simplicity that gives you freedom on so many levels. So no longer are you having to wash the same kind of grime and gunk off of dishes. No longer are you having to spend so much time in the kitchen. No longer are you having to feel you need to cover yourself up so much because maybe your way of eating made you smell funny, or no longer are you needing to cover over your body because you don't like the way it looks, because you're going to feel free to put anything on and feel really good in it. No longer are you going to be struggling with bad sleeping patterns or low energy, or there are so many things that true cleansing impacts that has this knock-on effect on everything in your life. So these exponential benefits extend to your relationships, to your creativity, to your career, to your family, to where you're, to the things you even will put on your skin, whether they be skincare products or clothing. Your style is going to become easier. Your joy in yourself is going to become easier. This idea that we can only enjoy ourselves if we're in a place where there's food and drink and entertainment and excitement is laughable. We should be able to enjoy ourselves just in literally enjoying ourselves, enjoying themselves. And that's what it should feel like. So that anything else external is optional, and one typically winds up having such a beautiful experience enjoying one's self that there is far less desire, inclination to wanting to have all these external things.